Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we dive into the highly anticipated Sony FX3 II, a cinema camera that could redefine the filmmaking landscape in 2025. With countless rumors swirling around its potential features, this upcoming powerhouse generates significant buzz among cinematographers, content creators, and professionals. Could this be the next big leap in Sony's cinema lineup? Let's break down everything we know so far. The evolution of Sony's cinema lineup. For years, Sony's FX series has been a go-to choice for filmmakers who demand high-quality imaging, advanced video capabilities, and professional-grade features in a compact design. The original FX3 was a game-changer, offering the best of both worlds, a fusion of Sony's mirrorless Alpha series and its high-end cinema cameras. Now, as we approach 2025, speculation suggests that Sony is preparing to launch the FX3 II, also rumored as the FX3 II, with even more powerful enhancements. Sony's strategy has been evolving towards merging its hybrid and cinema lines, and the FX3 II could play a critical role in this transition. If the rumors hold, this new model might not just be an upgrade, it could redefine what a compact cinema camera can achieve. Sony FX3 II. Potential features and upgrades. 1. Global shutter technology. A game changer? One of the most exciting speculations is that the FX3 II might feature a 12-megapixel global shutter sensor. This would be a major leap forward, eliminating rolling shutter issues that have plagued many video cameras. Global shutter technology ensures motion remains distortion-free, making it an ideal choice for fast action scenes, sports videography, and handheld shooting. However, skeptics argue that global shutter sensors traditionally compromise dynamic range and low light performance. Given Sony's history of innovation, could they overcome these challenges to deliver a best-in-class global shutter sensor? If they do, the FX3 II could set new industry standards for cinematographers and content creators. 2. Advanced sensor design. A hybrid approach. Alternatively, Sony might introduce a partially stacked sensor similar to the one found in Nikon's Z63. This would enhance readout speeds and dynamic range, making the FX3 II a highly competitive option for professionals who need both speed and image quality. Faster readout speeds would also mean better rolling shutter performance, improved slow-motion capabilities, and reduced lag in high-speed recording. 3. Built-in ND filters. A long-awaited feature. One of the most requested features for Sony's cinema cameras has been internal ND filters, and the FX3 II could finally deliver. If Sony integrates built-in electronic ND filters, filmmakers will no longer need to rely on external solutions, making the camera more versatile for outdoor and run-and-gun shooting. This feature, combined with a global shutter, could revolutionize how professionals capture cinematic visuals in varying lighting conditions. 4. 14-bit video and enhanced codec support. Sony's commitment to professional videography suggests that the FX3 II could offer 14-bit video recording, pushing image quality to new heights. The ability to shoot 4K 60p or even 6K 30p with 14-bit depth would provide filmmakers with more flexibility in post-production, ensuring a wider color gamut, smoother gradients, and greater dynamic range. Additionally, internal RAW recording is another feature that professionals are demanding. If Sony delivers ProRes RAW or Cinema DNG support natively, the FX3 II could compete directly with Blackmagic, Canon, and Red in the professional cinema market. 5. Improved image stabilization and autofocus. The original FX3 already offered solid stabilization, but with the FX3 II, we could see an improved version of Sony's active steady shot algorithm, ensuring smoother handheld footage with minimal crop. If combined with an 8-stop IBIS system, this could be one of the most stable handheld cinema cameras on the market. Sony's autofocus system has always been a step ahead, and with the FX3 II, we expect enhancements to eye tracking, real-time subject tracking, and AI-assisted autofocus. This would make it easier for solo filmmakers and content creators to achieve cinematic shots with precise focus, even in challenging conditions. 6. Connectivity and workflow improvements. In the age of remote workflows and cloud-based production, the FX3 II is likely to feature enhanced Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities. This would allow for seamless wireless monitoring, direct cloud uploads, and improved connectivity with wireless microphones and audio devices. Sony could also improve its USB-C data transfer speeds, allowing for faster offloading of high-resolution footage. With dual CF Express Type A card slots, Filmmakers would get faster write speeds, increased storage capacity, and more reliable recording options. Impact on Sony's A7S series. If Sony merges the A7S series with the FX lineup, the FX3 II could replace the highly anticipated A7S IV. This would mean that instead of releasing a separate low-light focused mirrorless camera, Sony would consolidate its hybrid and cinema offerings into one powerful device. While this could be a strategic move to streamline their lineup, some users might be disappointed by the potential discontinuation of the A7S IV. However, if the FX3 II can match or exceed the low-light capabilities, ISO performance, and compact form factor of the A7S series, it might just be a worthy successor. Sony's cinema camera future. What's next? Sony's track record suggests they're gearing up to push the boundaries of cinema technology. With Canon, Panasonic, and Blackmagic all advancing in the mirrorless cinema space, Sony must deliver groundbreaking innovations to stay ahead. If the FX3 II introduces global shutter, internal ND filters, and 14-bit RAW video, it could become the best cinema camera of 2025. Content creators, indie filmmakers, and professionals alike are eagerly waiting to see if this camera lives up to the hype. Conclusion. Should you wait for the Sony FX3 II? The Sony FX3 II is shaping up to be a game-changer for filmmakers and content creators. If the rumors are accurate, this could be one of the most advanced cinema cameras Sony has ever produced. The combination of global shutter technology, built-in ND filters, improved stabilization, enhanced connectivity, and next-gen autofocus could make this the ultimate tool for professionals in 2025.